In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this synthetic unit from Temu. And guess what? It's only $18.
Hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
Oh, hi. I am filming with a new camera and I'm trying to figure out, do I like it or not? Is it giving or is it not giving? Just let me know, because I don't know. What's up, YouTube fam? I am 𝒹𝒶𝒸𝒶. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Well, I'm going to put it over here. Subscribe. I ordered the wig. Came in yesterday. So let's open her up. And I'm going to let y'all be surprised. I mean, even though you see the thumbnail picture, you know exactly what it is. You know what color it is. WIG cap. I enjoy these because, baby, I need them. You know, I just need them. Oh, I can see it, right? Can y'all see it? I got blind. Let's start on the outside of this, okay? Let's just do that. I'm absolutely loving the lace. They got a middle part, but we'll get to the details on the inside. But as of what? Synthetic unit, so yeah. So it is long. Now the inches, I'm not for sure about the inches. It does have layers in it, and I like that. It's cute. Now, do she take heat? I don't even know. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm gonna try to put a little heat to it. I'm probably gonna mess it up, but you know what? It is what it is. So let's get into the details on the inside, okay? This lace, I love this lace. Y'all see the lace? This is so cute. But anyway, it has 3 combs, has 2 on the side, and it has 1 in the back. Has adjustable straps. Now this hair, y'all, I'm really thinking so long and hard on this. I'm thinking about cutting it into a bob. This is too much hair. It's hot outside, okay? It's too hot for a wig anyway, but y'all know I still gotta make content. I gotta make content. So this is it. This is a lot of hair. She is full, like she's very full and thick. So yeah, you guys really enjoy synthetic units and you like wearing it. We finna try one today for y'all, okay? You guys are like new here and y'all really don't know anything about me. Baby, I reuse my stocking caps. It is what it is. I recycle. And ain't no shame in my game because, baby, I save money, okay? Put my adjustable straps on, please. This wig is very much synthetic, y'all. We're gonna work it out, though. We are. I wonder, does it take heat? That is my only concern. Okay, let's put it on. Whoa, did I put it too tight? Oh my gosh, what is this caught in the back? See, I'm hot now and I got it on. No. Yo, this lace is very stretchy. Like, the lace is stretchy. Okay, this is so cute. Okay, this is so cute. Y'all, I'm not gonna wear this long. I am gonna cut this. Let me get this out my face. I'm actually, this is cute. I keep saying I'm gonna cut it because it's like I wanna wear this hair the way it comes. I can change hairstyles and I just need to focus on that. I need to focus more on changing things instead of wearing it the way it is. This is long. Baby, she getting nappy already. That's how I know I'm gonna put it. So I know right off the bat, like feeling this hair, it may not take no heat. I'm just gonna be honest. So I'm gonna try to run through it whenever I get to that step of trying to flatten it. But to be honest, it is actually flat. I'm probably gonna burn something up if I put anything in it. So just know, this unit is literally like plastic, okay? It's giving much Barbie doll. Y'all know how them Barbie dolls hair feel. But anyway, let's go ahead and lay this lace down, okay? I'm gonna lay my lace down with this melting spray that I got from Temu. And now I'm about to tie it with my scarf. And I'm probably gonna keep this scarf on for about 10 minutes. I really encourage people to like really learn how to install wigs. Like, I really encourage them to do it. Like, you will be saving so much money just by doing it yourself. I mean, yes, it's practice. You will have to practice. I mean, why would you think that you could put a wig on your head and just not put any work in? You gotta put work in. You got to. Get this off, shall we? This is the center. Y'all see where my part at? My part is like literally right here. But it's cool because y'all know I'm gonna work this out, okay? Ooh. Alright, so I'm about to put some more lace spray. Ooh. Alright, ooh. This is cute. So let me start this part back over because, yeah, nah, this is not gonna work. So I plucked this. Not as much. I ain't even gonna lie. I told y'all I don't like plucking, so it would do shit. Let me get this hair out. Ooh. I plucked a lot though. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I plucked a lot. Let's go ahead and cut it. Right here. I chop it all the way down here. Oh man. Let's just cut it. Too late. I did it. Wow. Okay, so I cut it. It's on this side, but this side is giving flip out. We're gonna try to do it, but let's go in with the wax stick. Let's see if we can try to make it lay down. Even, you know, I feel like personally, if I put like this wax stick on it, it'll take the heat a little better. Yeah, I don't know. So maybe I shouldn't keep it on long. Y'all, I be nervous that it's not supposed to take heat, but I don't know. It's once I put that wax stick on it's okay. Alrighty, let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This smells like rubber tires. Right here. I think I've done enough. So let me go ahead and put some foundation.
She shake it like jelly, 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty, he like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot, taking a spot. If you ain't cooking.
Alright, you guys. So this right here is so cute. I love this. Let's get into the details of what I think about this unit. And when it comes to synthetic unit, I mean, it's iffy. It's really iffy. She really didn't take heat. As you can see, it's still straight. And I probably would give this a 7. Like I said, this is really not a good synthetic unit, as in you can curl it, you can flat iron it, you know, stuff that dealing with heat. There you go. It is what it is. Just dealing with heat. Overall, it's okay. It's good. It's not a bad unit. The lace is pretty good. I like this. She's very full. She's full. I'm glad I kind of cut it. It is what it is. You don't want to wear it long. You want to cut it. This is a really good unit to wear a bob. I did pluck a little bit. I didn't pluck as much as I should have. I did pluck. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It looks good. Okay. So yeah, that is what this unit is giving. I hope you guys like this. Make sure you subscribe. And if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. And with that being said, I will see you guys on the next review.
She shake it like jelly, 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty, he like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot, taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch from my block.